It's like I'm hoping that by vlogging, I'll find the energy to finish packing. My lord, I do not want to get up. Plus, it's a very sunny day outside. But I have to keep you updated on what's going on. Alright guys, let's come with me. So I don't remember how I left you, but this is the situation. This table used to be filled, or at least half of the table, and now it's empty. I have a whole lot of trash bags. I'm gonna leave the pictures for my mom because she likes them. And I'm gonna take the 2 little globes that are right there. This, I still have to go through some of the things. There's wedding stuff and I don't remember certain things. And those 2 stuffed animals are staying with me. All right. We packed the printer. I have to check if the DVD's above, if there's some that belong to me, but I'm not sure. This is probably the biggest improvement. Maybe. No, it's not the biggest improvement. But this table is staying here for my mom. This box is filled with cables. This chair is coming with me. So there's a bunch of stuff, but it's for the best. This is all empty. The Alex drawers, they're all empty. This is all the makeup beauty stuff I'm keeping for the summer, but the beige thing is coming with me. This is filled with cups. This bag, I don't know what it is. Roller skates are going to the States. This is like clothes hanging. They are, this thing is staying with me for the summer, and this white jacket is staying with me for the summer. The rest, I believe, is going to the States. It's not staying with me for the summer. Those 2 pair of jeans, they belong to Josh. But yeah, the room doesn't look like it has changed much, but it did. Here I have some vacation stuff. Up there I have a couple books that are more like coffee table books in boxes with like bag paper. I'm gonna show you the other side. Josh's stuff. More books, and there's my wedding planner, snow globes, the boxes. Those things here, they're moving, they're not coming with me, they're not mine. Have a couple things here. These things, if you're interested, they're dual voltage, so if you're traveling like me, if you're a military family, that could be useful. There's more stuff. There's my ring light here. A bunch of stuff. So there's still a bunch of stuff, like not much that I have to go through. I think just this I have to go through. The printer I just mentioned. This we pretty much filled up recently. It's like, it's mixed. Like, you have kitchen stuff, but you have like makeup or whatnot. Yeah. And there's all my Disney stuff down there. Yeah. So that's for the office where I'm putting all my stuff for now. And then the biggest improvement for real is this room. So here all the drawers are empty. This basket here has stuff that I'm keeping for the summer, like my camera, my curling iron, whatnot. So yeah, I'm taking this to the States, not keeping for the summer. This thing is also coming to the States. This thing is not coming to the States. I forgot to mention, this is not going to the States and it's all messed up. This is going to my mom. This is all empty and staying with my mom too. This is going to the States, those things as well. Socks are staying, obviously. This wardrobe, pretty much all the clothes in there are staying with me for the summer. I still have to sort through the stuff like up there. There's still a few things under the bed. not much. And a few things on top of the bed. I have to go get a few things upstairs, but that's pretty much it. And here I'll leave things like this for the movers to pack. Yeah, I'll just let them do that. So if you're a believer, if you're one of my believer viewer, this is what's happening with the Justin Bieber collection. It's flying to America. So I actually still have quite a few things to do. And the movers are coming today at around 1 something. They're not packing, they're just coming to check out what I will be taking. Oh, and I forgot. Show you guys this box. I guess I can open it for you. It's like some home decor things, candles, whatever. So that's that. It's always so hard to just start. Like once you've started, once you're in it, you can just like go on forever. But like right now, the weather is beautiful, and I just want to sit outside, read a book, not worry about a damn thing. But my OCD just wants me to pack the rest of my stuff and put it in one room. Oh my god, I just can't function. I just want to chill, but it's gonna keep bugging me if I don't start, so